Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that every firearm enthusiast should consider adding to their collection, the Otis Technology Universal Rifle Cleaning Kit. We found this product online and have added a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this cleaning kit actually is. The Otis Technology Universal Rifle Cleaning Kit is a comprehensive cleaning set designed specifically for rifles. It comes with everything you need to maintain your firearm, ensuring it stays in peak condition. This kit includes 5 bore brushes, a memory flex cable, patches, obstruction removers, lubricant, and a soft case for easy storage. It's an all-in-one solution that simplifies the cleaning process, making it accessible for both seasoned shooters and beginners alike. One of the standout features of this kit is its versatility. The 5 different bore brushes make it suitable for a variety of calibers, ensuring you have the right tool for the job. Whether you're using .22 caliber or larger, you'll find a brush that fits your needs. The memory flex cable is also impressive. It allows for easy maneuverability through the bore of your rifle, making the cleaning process smoother and more efficient. Another important feature is the inclusion of obstruction removers. This is particularly useful if you've encountered a stuck projectile or debris in your barrel. Instead of panicking over potential damage, you have the right tools at your disposal to safely clear any issues. The lubricant provided is also a crucial part of maintaining your rifle, as it helps reduce friction and wear, ensuring your firearm operates smoothly over time. This cleaning kit is suitable for a wide range of users. Whether you're a casual shooter who enjoys hitting the range on weekends or a competitive marksman who relies on your rifle for precision, this kit caters to your needs. It's also an excellent choice for hunters who want to ensure their firearms are in top shape before heading out into the field. With the Otis Technology Universal Rifle Cleaning Kit, you have the tools necessary to keep your firearm performing at its best. Let's discuss some practical use cases. Imagine you just returned from a day at the range, and your rifle has accumulated dirt and residue from shooting. With this cleaning kit, you can easily clean your firearm at home, ensuring it's ready for your next outing. If you're a hunter, this kit allows you to perform quick cleanups in the field, making sure your rifle is reliable when it counts. Additionally, for those who might be new to firearms, this kit is a fantastic way to learn the ins and outs of rifle maintenance. The comprehensive guide that comes with the kit helps you understand how to properly clean and care for your rifle, giving you the confidence you need to handle your equipment safely and effectively. In conclusion, the Otis Technology Universal Rifle Cleaning Kit is a must-have for anyone who owns a rifle. Its thoughtful design and comprehensive features make it suitable for a wide range of users, from beginners to seasoned veterans. With this kit, you can ensure that your firearm remains in excellent condition, ready for any shooting activity you have planned. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.